Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? Still in the right space, okay? We are in the month of August, and I am still Rachel, and I've still been intimacy coaching for a decade, which has inspired me to do this series all year long. Now we're talking about ways to incorporate pleasure into your everyday life for yourself and also to partner relationship. But today, this month in general has been a very important series for me because in 10 years of intimacy coaching, I've spoke to many, many women, individually as well as in groups, and I feel like I definitely have a language of love when it comes to trying to deliver messages, and this is shit your woman wants you to hear. That is what our content is about this month. We are listening with open hearts and open minds because these are not critical messages. They are supportive messages. And the reason why I'm doing this series is typically I have two groups of women. I have a group of women who say they've been telling you all along what they want, but you're not doing it, versus women who think that they know that you will fulfill their needs without them even understanding what those needs are. Okay. I swirled myself out what I was going to say at the beginning, but I just need you to understand that this is the delivery of this, is that it's not meant to come from a critical point of view to say, well, what you're doing is wrong. It's to say, I think I have needs that need to be met in different manners. Can I try to articulate that to you, partner, so then you can try to meet these needs? Okay. So what I want to talk about today is pheromones. Okay. Because although we are complex individuals, we are complex species, we're a complex human, which is very true, especially as we gain consciousness, it doesn't change the fact that we come from animal magnetism, okay? And you know this, like animals go through, we all go through cycles and seasons, but animals still very naturally try to display levels of attraction to each other to go through the reproductive cycle. We are no different. With a feminine individual, so let's say a body who has a vulva and menstruates, that is a 4-week person. Every single month, every single week of the month, they're going to be a different person. And as a masculine individual or somebody who has penis and penis and testicles typically goes through a 24-hour cycle. So we're all cycling. So when we talk about pheromones, it's a very primal aspect of how we're attracted to one another. Women are often surprised, but I'm never, that men can be attracted to women when they're salty and disgusting and fresh off their period or fresh from the gym, and they might not even know any of that. Because again, pheromones come straight out the sweat gland. So it is literally the most primal way that we are attracted to one another, but we kind of feel icky about it because it's like, oh, go shower first and then come back to me. But you can't help it. Your sweat glands are what produces your pheromones. And so that is exactly why we're attracted to each other in very unconventional ways, or ways that we necessarily can't explain. We have no idea why all of a sudden that person is just somebody we just want to get our hands on, okay? So we can definitely use our pheromones to our advantage, but it's not just about sex. It's definitely about opportunity. So whether we're attracting new friendships or opportunities at work, or we're working with people of any kind, children or what doesn't matter, coworkers, whatever, all of this is good. We've always recommended pheromone products for people who work in commissions, sales, tips, people-facing industries, and things like that. So tap into your natural goodness. You don't have to get your hair done and wear the coolest little outfit you've ever seen or whatever. Understand that innately you have value and you are sexy and desirable just by being you. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for being here. I gotta go. It's 3 minutes. I love you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.